Hello, what do you have today? We have this laptop that came in for repair. If I'm to check the model of this laptop, it's HP ProBook X360 11 5G. The laptop came in for repair. It's not coming on. It's just a dead device. So without wasting time, let's put the power supply. Putting the power supply is taking like 200, 500, 700, 1.4. The current is increasing, and we do have orange charging light. Now it's taking 2.2. Let's press the power on button, which is on the other side here. It's charging. For this size of laptop, the current for charging looks good. Pressing the power on. It's not even responding. We do have the charging. We do have the charging orange light, but here pressing is dead. I'm sure there must be an LED here. It's dead. So that is my problem. That is my problem. And what do you think is the problem? What do you think is the problem? With this laptop? Anyone knows the problem? All the screws are out, and which one is supposed to come out? The back cover, the back side, or the front one? What is here? Let's try to get inside this and see if we have a dead motherboard or a frozen BIOS, frozen E.C chip, whatever I call it. I never fixed this model, so I'm curious to see what can be wrong here. We are inside our laptop. So what can be fault here? What can be fault on this scenario? Because I can't see. We have the main battery, we have the CMOS battery. Let's disconnect the CMOS battery here. Okay. Let's disconnect the main battery. Let's short pins on the CMOS battery connector. Let's short pins. Just to reset everything. Let's press the power on switch for 10 seconds. Okay. After that, let's put back the BIOS battery. Who knows, maybe that was the problem. And we now have light. You see the light and the HP log. It's working. So this is the most common fault on such kind of laptop. And this laptop is fixed by doing the basics. Because I really knew it from the beginning that this kind of fault can be a frozen EC chip. When you press the power on button is not responding. So all what you have to do is to do the basics. Yeah, the laptop is on. You can see post error. Let's power off the machine. Because if it's fixed, there's no reason to stay here. I'm putting back the keyboard and the touchpad connectors. Keyboard and the touchpad connectors. On. The laptop is coming on. HP. And is loading Windows. So this was a very simple repair. Very, very simple repair. So if you have this kind of HP ProBook X360, touchpad is working. This is also a touch screen. We can touch the screen and it's responding. System properties. 1.1 gigahertz processor, very small processor. 4 gig RAM. Windows 10. And the drive must be 160. Yeah, 160. So the job is done. This job is done. We now have a working laptop. So let me know what you think on the comment section, and if you have anything that you wish to know or you want to know, don't hesitate to leave a comment and I'll try to answer you on the next repair. This is the most common fault on such kind of laptop with inbuilt batteries. The EC chip or the BIOS is getting frozen. All what you have to do is to reset the machine by taking out the battery, taking out the CMOS battery short pins on the CMOS battery connector. You press the power on button for 5 to 10 seconds. You put everything together, try. That is the basic thing that you can do on such kind of problem. Charging but not turning on. Remember. See you on the next one. Bye bye.